Backlight turns on when getting the tester started. Connect the LAN cable to the tester and remote unit. Press the test key. Pass appears when the wiring has been correctly done. When incorrect wiring is detected, both the warning symbol and the wrong connection points blink on the LCD. Connect the cable to the tester and the remote unit, and then press the test key. Wrong connections blink on the LCD. Cable 1 and 2 are opens. Cable 7 and 8 are reversed. Indication for shorts. Wiring errors such as split pairs are never overlooked.